Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nurain Insyirah binti Mazamri, 25 DDT 21F 2033. Nama kawan saya Nurain Natasha binti Hamidun, 25 DDT 21F 2072, dan Nurul Faradiana binti Hamdan, 25 DDT 21F 2067. Hari ini saya akan bentangkan mini projek 2. Soalan 1, first input and output interface design. First, user login atau sign up. User can create an account or log in into access the system. Yang ni untuk sign up, ini untuk login. Step by step after login or sign up. Input, choose language and set grant permission. Yang ni nak pilih language, yang ni nak on-can permission. 3. Maps output, choose the map or location you want to track. The location ataupun location yang kita nak pergi track, macam location kawan ke. Lepas tu, detail and information, user can see their location history. Data capture. 3. Data capture device. First, dedicated GPS trackers. These are specialist device designed solely for GPS tracking. They come equipped with a GPS module to capture location data and often include additional sensor for capturing speed, altitude and other movement related information. 2. Smartphone. Modern smartphones are equipped with built-in GPS modules that can capture and transmit location data. They can use various apps to provide tracking functionalities, making them versatile and widely accessible tools for GPS tracking. 3. OBD to GPS trackers. These are devices plugged into the onboard diagnostic OBD2 port of a vehicle, typically found under the dashboard. Example, BYNCS OBD GPS tracker connect directly to the vehicle OBD port, providing detailed vehicle diagnostic along with GPS tracking. Next, testing. First, GPS data acquisition. Ensure the system correctly capture and process GPS signal. Test different location to verify accuracy. 2. Data transmission. Verify data transmission to the server or cloud service. Test different network condition. 3. Location processing and storage. Ensure correct parsing and storage of data of GPS data. Test for handling of malformed or incomplete data. 4. Geofencing. Validate geofence creation and detection. Test notification and alert when entering or exiting a geofence. 5. User interface. Verify the accuracy of location displayed on maps. Test different UI components for data representation. 6. Battery management. Ensure efficient battery usage. Test battery life under different tracking conditions. Okay, installation. Step 1. Download the mobile apps. Open your device App Store, Apple App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for the Explosoft.co GPS tracking apps. Tap on the search bar at the top and type Explosoft.co. Find the Explosoft.co GPS tracking apps in the search result and tap on it. Make sure it is the official apps by checking the developer's name and reading the app's description and reviews. Tap the install button, then the app will start downloading and will automatically install on your device for Android. Meanwhile, for iOS, you might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to authorize the installation. Step 2. Sign up or log in. After the installation is complete, tap open to launch the apps. Follow the on-screen instruction to sign up for a new account or log in if you already have an account with Explosoft.co. Step 3. Grant permission. The app will request access to your location and other necessary permission. Approve this request to ensure the apps function correctly. Step 4. Configure setting. Set up any preference or configuration as prompted by the apps. This may include setting up tracking for specific contact, customizing notification setting and more.
evaluation checklist. First, data security and privacy. Location data and personal information are encrypted. 2. It complies with data protection regulation. Okay, second, server and back-end integration. Verify seamless communication between the apps and back-end server. Test data synchronization and consistency between the apps and server. Check server performance under high load condition. 3. Compatibility. Work on the latest and previous version for Android and iOS. Function correctly on different devices. The last one, performance. Fast response time, smooth operation without crash. Maintenance. First, regular update and upgrades. Software update. Release update to fix bug and improve feature. OS compatibility. Keep the app compatible with the latest Android and iOS version. Map data, regularly update map for accuracy. Second, performance monitoring. Server performance, monitor and optimize server performance. App performance, track app load time, battery usage and data usage. And third, crash report, review and fix issue causing crash. Last one, security enhancement. Data encryption, ensure all data is securely encrypted. Security audits, regularly check for and fix security vulnerabilities. The last one, user authentication, update and strengthen login security. 4. User data management. First, data privacy, follow data protection regulation. 2. Data backup, regularly backup data and ensure it can be restored. Data retention, manage how long user data is kept. 5. System maintenance, server maintenance, perform routine check and update. Database optimization, regularly optimize the database for efficiency. And API maintenance, ensure third-party API are working and update.
Next, system security. Security feature embedded in your system. Embedded system security is a design methodology, implementation and committed that companies embrace to limit the threat exposed of the device they build and the data this device generate. User can access the system employing techniques such as password, biometric identification, or two-factor authentication. This process is crucial to ensure that only legitimate individuals have access to sensitive information and control function within the system. Next, backup. Explain method of backup applied. First, cloud backup. Cloud backup involves continuous uploading data from vehicle tracking system to cloud storage solution. The advantage of this method include easy scalability, data accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection and built-in redundancy offered by cloud service providers. Number 2, local backup. In this method, data is stored in local server or physical device such as hard drive within the organization. Number 3, incremental backup. This method is efficient in terms of span and storage usage and redundant bandwidth usage. Number 4, real-time backup. Real-time backup involves continuous backing up data change in real time. The advantage include allowing data recovery to any point in time with minimal data loss and almost immediate backup. Number 5, remote backup. Remote backup involves backing up data to a distant location. This method provides an additional layer of protection against local disaster and often include additional security measures. Next, appendix. Appendix for interface design, testing system, error troubleshooting, and system manual that have been implemented. First, interface design. Interface design are central to architecture for vehicle tracking and monitoring system. In addition to facilitating interaction across system boundaries, they connect teams, departments, and their part vendors. Dependence that must be efficiently managed. Number 2, system testing. System testing is a form of black box test that assess the complete functionality and performance of a fully integrated software system. Number 3, error troubleshooting. GPS signal loss. Ensure the GPS device has a clear line of sight to the sky and check for any obstruction, update or recalibrate the GPS device if necessary. Number 4, system manual that have been implemented. The implementation, tracking and monitoring system will monitor the progress of project right from the date of approved project and provide immediate hand holding to facilitate investors at all stages of implementation. This is our reference. Thank you.